Hello NEET aspirants. My name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Career Mudra, Bangalore. Students, as you all know, from 14th of August, MCC counseling registration process is starting and the last date for registration is 20th of August. Within 14th of August to 20th of August, the complete counseling process will be happening, like registration, payment process, choice filling. This entire process will be from 14th to 20th of August. The result will be published on 23rd of August and the admission date is from 24th August to 29th of August. So within 14th to 20th, you have to do your registration, you have to make your payment and you have to do the choice filling. Choice filling process will start from 16th and it will be completed by 20th of August. So this is the brief about the schedule. Now what you have to do here, you have to first do the registration process in MCC. I'll give you the information how you have to do the registrations in MCC. You have to go to the website www.mcc.nic.in. In this website, you have to go for the registration. Once you log in this website, then you have to go down and you will see that new registrations. Once point is there for new registration, you have to click there. Once you click there, then one tab will open called new registration informations. You have to click there. Once you click, then your registration process will start. In this registration process, there are some steps. First step is your authentication process. Second step is your application process. Third step is your educational details you have to give. Fourth step is the selections of the college. I mean, which all colleges and counseling you want to participate. And the last part is the final submit and the next is the payment process. First, in the authentication process, you have to give your NEET roll number, your NEET applications number, your name, your date of birth, all the information you have to give. Once you give all the informations, then after you have to do an OTP verifications. The OTP will be going to your registered email ID and the contact number what you have given at the time of NEET exam registration. In the same number the OTP will be going. So once you will do the authentication process, you will complete your authentication process, you will get the OTP in your registered mobile number and email ID, you will submit it there. Then only your authentication process will be completed. Once you complete your authentication process, then you will be going to the application process. In your application process, you have to give your complete details, your name, your mother's name, your all the information which is required there. You have to give all the information in the application process. Once it is done, then after you have to give all the information regarding your education details. In education details, they will be asking you precisely your 12 education details, like which state you have done your 12th standard, okay, which year you have completed, whether you have passed or you are appearing, you have not passed till now, what is your 12th standard roll number, which state you have completed, all the informations will be required for the education details. Then you have to give your marks of physics, chemistry and biology in that particular portions. Once you have given all these things, then they will ask you for your alternate email ID, alternate contact number also. Once it is done, then you will be going to another part. Which part they will be having, you have to select the which all counseling process you want to participate. First will be All India quota 15% seat. Second will be open quota seat like AIMS, JIPMAR, Central University, all these things will be there. Fourth will be BSc Nursing and fifth will be AFMC, Army Medical College. So you have to select, and another will be deemed university. Definitely another will be deemed university. So you have to select which all portions you want. Suppose if you are looking for only a government college, then you have to select only 15% seat on All India quota and open seats. This two part. Okay, if you are looking for only deemed university, then you have to select only deemed university. So this part you have to select it. Once you select all these sections, then you have to go to the next step, that is your contact details, where you have to give your address, your contact number, your correspondence and the permanent address, everything. Once everything is done, then you have to cross check all the information what you have given and you have to do a final submit of the application. Once you do the final submit, then you have to make the payment. Registration fees for the student who are looking for deemed university, that is 5,000 rupees, and they will be having a refundable security amount that will be 2 lakhs rupees. And the student who are only looking for government college, for them the registration fees will be 1,000 rupees and the security money will be 10,000 rupees. Refundable security money will be 10,000 rupees. The student who are belonging to the category, their registration fees will be 500 rupees and refundable security money will be 5,000 rupees. So once you make the payment, then you will be allowed to do the choice filling. In choice filling process is very important part of this entire counseling. You have to do the choice filling properly. If you don't know how to do the choice filling, then definitely you can take the guidance for entire choice filling process. After the choice filling will over, then you have to log the choices. Once you log the choice, then all the counseling part, your part of the registration, payment and the choice filling is over. Then the result will be published on 23rd, and after that you have to go for the admission. Regarding this registration, MCC registration and the NEET counseling, if you are looking for any guidance, you can contact with us for our counseling services. If you are looking for this kind of video, then you can subscribe our YouTube channel. You can also join our Telegram group for all the required updates. Thank you so much students for watching this video.